Okay, so after PBB, you decided to go back to school.
Schooling.
Nag-enroll ka. Full load ka ba ngayon this,
Hindi
this
ko lang, hindi ko pa alam kung full load kasi wala pang idea. Pero I attend school na talaga.
decision mo talaga yan na ano man mangyari sa PBB, you'll go back
Mag-aaral
to school.
talaga. Mag-aaral talaga.
So, paano mo kaya pagsasabihin yan? Given na baka maraming opportunities ka sa showbiz.
Pero if that happens, balance talaga. And I'm willing to sacrifice pleasure and some rest. Pero kakayanin.
Okay. Sige.
Pumasok ka na ba? Pumasok.
Pumasok.
Ka na. How was it? How was the first day?
First day of school in college.
Yeah, first day.
Wow.
in college.
Different and ibang-iba talaga. Ibang-iba, sabi ko yan.
Especially now that you're not just an ordinary student, hindi ka na lang just an ordinary Atenean. Medyo sikat ka na. How was it? How was the teachers, the classmates?
Teachers, the rule in Ateneo kasi dapat pantay-pantay talaga. No special treatment. So, okay naman yun. Kaya, ayos yung experience. I got to enjoy Ateneo and my first day in Ateneo, I felt that I was home again.
So, any specific showbiz field you wanna try? Acting, commercial?
Commercials, gusto mo talagang advertising. Kung papapiliin between advertising and acting, I'll go on the advertising side.
Mga what types of commercial? Mga ano? Mga
Anything, basta endorsing stuff, parang mas okay, talaga. Mas masarap pakinggan, parang gano'n.
singing, you wouldn't try? You wanna try?
Singing, ayusin pa mo yung mga vocal cords ko para magawa.
When you were younger, may mga nagsasabi na ba sa'yo na, or nag-encourage sa'yo na mag-artista?
Yung mga,
What did they tell you?
parang, try mo naman to, baka may opportunities. Kaya, yun ho,
Talent scout, nilapitan ka na.
talent scout.
So, anong feeling mo nun? Parang hindi mo lang pinapansin or you're considering it na?
Well, sumasagi po sa isip, pero talagang priority ko nung bata ako talaga, studies and ibang bagay-bagay.
Okay. Having said that, ano lang, hypothetical. Kasi, sabi mo, you're willing to consider, to sacrifice pleasure. Pero worst comes to worst. Kasi, you're given an opportunity in showbiz and to do school. What will you choose?
Between those two talaga.
Yeah. I mean, you really have to give up one.
If I have to sacrifice fame, I'll sacrifice fame for studies talaga.
Even if they say na one time, big time lang yung ano, you can always go back to school. They always say that you'll still choose school right now. As in, if I'm gonna ask you right now.
Priority talaga. Iba yung makukuha mong success sa instant success sa pinagpawisang success. Iba yung feeling ng makuha mo yung gusto mo na may perspiration talaga.
Okay.
Kasi when you entered the house, you were parang packaged as the Atenean. How do you feel like about being compared to Mikey? Parang das next Mikey Lee, parang
And next Mikey Lee, well, wala naman akong narinig na ganung feedback. Pero Ateneans talaga. Kaya maganda naman yung impression ni Mikey. Kabatch ko si Mikey ngayon. And okay lang. Pero sabi ko nga dati, iba-iba tayo lahat. May kanya-kanya tayong personality traits. Kaya sana i-consider naman.
Do you know him personally or nakilala mo na siya?
Nakilala ko na si Mikey.
Sa house, di ba? When you graduated, he was there. Yeah.
Kilala na kami. Kanina, nagkaroon ng mass sa Ateneo and siya pa yung lumapit sa akin. Parang sabi ko, Mikey, bakit parang ganyan? Parang binibigyan ako ng ORSEM sa Ateneo. Okay?
How would you differentiate yourself to him?
Mikey. Si Mikey, sobrang galing niya mag-isip talaga. Studies, walang masabi, wala kang negative masasabi dyan. Kaya yung kung ibahan lang, mahirap magsabi kasi talagang he has a different thing in this field. I have a different thing in this field. Parang ganun. Pero medyo malabo pa ngayon.
Sa PBB kasi parang naging customary na yung mga love team. How do you feel na parang ikaw yung walang masyadong ka-love team or
Wala
ano?
masyadong kalabi. Well, sinabi ko na yun sa mga fellow housemates ko before pa. Sinabi ko na lahat tayo dito magkakapatid. I'll treat you as my brother and my sister, and I hope you treat me the same. Tas hanggang sa paglabas, ganun pa rin yung pagtrato namin sa isa't isa.
Kapatid. Pero hypothetically, if you will be given a choice na may maka-love team, among the girls, who would you choose?
Wala akong,
Wala.
wala naman, hindi sa walang choose, pero wala akong anyone talaga.
Okay.
Kasi comfortable naman ako kahit kanino sa mga housemates na kasama ko. Ako na talaga.
Pero di ba you were closest to Rona?
Closest to Rona, hindi ko, pantay-pantay lang lahat yung ko sa kanila.
Hindi talaga sumagi sa isip mo na magkagusto sa kanya since yun nga parang sinasabi na siya yung parang exact
Counterpart.
counterpart, female counterpart.
Well, lahat naman sila may nagustuhan talaga ako sa personality traits. Depende talaga sa housemate yung mga traits na gustuhan ko sa kanila.
You were known inside the house as the calm one. Parang calm one. Paano ka magalit? Parang hindi masyado kasi nakita sa as a person, paano ka magalit? How do you
Magalit
express your
ako, talagang, kasi pag nagalit ako, yun talaga yung mga extremes na talaga eh. Kasi, inisip ko muna yung, kunyari, nagalit yung tao sa akin to, parang isipin ko muna, ba't ano bang nagawa ko, ba't ganun? Tapos, ilalagay ko yung sarili ko sa shoes niya. Tapos, yun, pag nagalit ako kasi, I'll try to correct you talaga pare. And kung tawagin mo na akong mainitin ulo pag magalit, tawagin mo na akong ganun kasi I'm doing this for you. I want to correct you sana kung ano yung tingin kong okay naman para sa'yo.
Ayun. What's the best thing about being a runner-up over being the big winner in itself?
To be honest, mapa second, mapa big winner, mapa fourth, third, yung nakita kong impact talaga sa paglabas ko dun sa capsule sa Araneta, I felt more than a big winner talaga. Kasi hindi ko ina-expect yung ganong karaming tao na tumatanggap sa akin, kaya I feel that I'm more than a big winner talaga.
Right? Kitang-kita nga talaga yung shock mo sa mukha mo talaga. No?
Nagulat
Every time na
talaga.
nakikita mo yung mga supporters mo.
Sobra.
What characteristics do you have, do you think, na you made it this far, na naging part ka ng Big Four, naging second, na nagustuhan ka ng mga tao?
Yung pagiging the calm one, parang thinking first before acting. I don't act talaga on impulse eh. Kasi tingin ko pag mag-act ka based on your emotions, hindi mo masasabi kung ano yung mangyayari sunod eh. Kasi I'm a person who thinks of the consequences of my action.
Ayun. Being someone na galing na dun sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, naranasan mo lahat ng pressures, you went through being a housemate, would you say na it's possible for a housemate na mag-strategize and to play safe?
To play safe.
Kasi parang yun yata yung inaccuse sa'yo.
Sa loob talaga, makikita talaga kung ano ugali mo. Kasi sa loob, ako personally, nakita ko dun yung, kunyari, kahit mag-isip ka ng, kunyari, ganito yung wake-up call, mag-isip ka ng kung ano mangyayari, yung ina-expect mo, minsan hindi talaga natutuloy. Kaya, yung reaction mo agad, papalabasin niya talaga. Yung reaction ko talaga, ganun talaga yung lahat ng reaction namin. Imagine, 77 days. Hindi pa ba mapapalabas yung tunay na ugali mo within that span talaga. Kaya, strategize, I think it's impossible talaga.
You were like the perfect housemate. So, para sa'yo, meron bang ano sa tingin mo yung weakness mo? Kung dahil nga, sinasabi nga nila na super serious mo, which is, you don't consider it naman as a weakness, right?
Yung pagiging serious kasi, respect ko na yun kay kuya kasi syempre, binigyan na ng task and then he expects it to be done this way. Kaya, kuya, salamat.
So, meron bang weakness ang isang Rob?
kung weakness pag-usapan, masabi ko family ko talaga weakness. In terms of, I'm really a family person and sa loob, talagang na-miss ko talaga sila. Kaya,
In
yun.
terms of attitude, meron ka ba parang, yun nga, hindi masyadong kagandahan sa personality? Or talagang, yun nga,
I'm not sure pero maraming sabi daw na yung responsibilities masyado kong kinukumkum, parang ganun.
Do you see yourself doing kilig stuff?
Doing
Kilig stuff?
Kilig stuff.
Being partnered
Marami,
with
marami.
someone and being tied like that kasi most probably I think they'll start pairing you up with someone.
Marami.
Okay.
May mga instances na may nagawa nga akong mga bagay na hindi ko inaakala na magagawa ko. Like, before I did something to this girl na talagang pinalado talaga yung mga ginagawa.
What's the most romantic thing na ba you've ever done?
Thing.
Yun na, nandun na rin lang tayo.
Okay, may isang time na umaga nun eh. Sobrang umaga. And sinabi ko kay Papa na, Pa, we should wake up this early. I have to do something to something. And then, nag-bake ako ng brownies nun. Tapos, yung girl kasi, parang nasa bus. And umaga yun, nag-stop over siya sa isang place. So, nag-park kami dun sa isang place. Hindi niya ina-expect na may tao dun. Tapos bigla na lang ako sumulpot. And then, mga 6 o'clock, andun ako sa may 6 o'clock AM. Naghintay ako nun. And pasok ako nun sa high school. 7:45. So, I guess that would be the most romantic thing.
anong year mo nun?
Last year, 4th year.
Yan ba yung nililigawan mo?
Malalaman na niya sa takdang panahon.
Sige, kung hindi na lang yan, siya ba yung una mong niligawan or meron ka pa bang in the past na
Meron.
meron?
Do you see yourself, nafe-feel mo, do you see yourself having a girlfriend this year?
This year, tingin ko, mga MU lang, pero girlfriend, kasi medyo busy naman lahat eh. Lahat ng tao ngayon since pasukan na, and yun nga, may mga schedule. Tingin ko,
Yeah, especially if you want to enter
So, how come
showbiz.
hindi ka nagkaroon ng girlfriend before kung nandito ka na dati? Binasted ka ba?
hindi naman busted eh. Matagal lang talaga ako dumiskarte, kaya yun.
So, anong masasabi mo na ngayon na kilala ka na, syempre, na alam mo yun, marami ka nang na-accomplish, di ba? Na, I'm sure maraming mga girls na magkakagusto sa'yo. Anong feeling na ngayon, hindi na lang ikaw yung basta maghahabol? Kahit kulang ka pa sa diskarte,
Ikaw na yung
okay
habol
na.
lang.
Parang gano'n.
Iba pa, feeling, hindi pa rin. Dapat lalaki pa rin naghahabol. Ganun. Lalaki pa rin gagawa dapat ng
Okay, what if the girl makes the first move?
girl who
For example, right now,
Someone makes a
especially
move on you.
you're in showbiz. Let's say your thinking is very conventional, pero in showbiz, it's liberated eh. And there's a tendency for women to do the first move. And that's the way they think. Do you think you will fall for someone like that? Or it's really a given na?
Pero talagang kikilalanin ko talaga yung tao.
What's the most yung short stint mo sa showbiz right now, ano yung masasabi mong worst criticism that you've ever heard of or you receive right now? Can you think of something?
Not sure.
Not yet.
Sa loob ng
Wala pa ako
bahay ni
nababasang
Okay.
mga dyan.
Oh.
How about sa bahay ni Kuya? Ano yung na-hurt ka kung ano ba?
Well, two things. Yung sinabi ni Nan na I've changed. Kaya yun yung pinagtataka ko dati. Pero okay naman ni Nan yun. And yung sinabi ni Kuya na hindi pa ako masyadong kilala ni Kuya dahil minsan daw nagtatago raw akong ganun. Pero consistently naman, pinapakita ko naman kung sino talaga.
So how did you deal with that?
Talagang masakit, tas nag-isip ako ng matagal. Parang isip ko, ako ba talaga parang masasabi mo, ikaw ba talaga to? Parang tinatago mo ba yung sarili mo with this in this time na sobrang tagal mo na. Hindi pa sapat yung napakita mo. Kaya you have to prove yourself talaga palagi.
Okay. Follow-up questions. Since sinabi mo na you're going to enter showbiz, so most likely than not, baka makarinig ka pa na mas harsh na criticism, mga detractors na maninira sa'yo, and 10 times fold yung pagiging harsh. Are you ready for them?
I'm ready for anything. Yeah.
Okay.
How would you compare yung batch ninyo sa first batch ng Teen Housemates? Ano yung lamang niya? Masasabi mong lamang ng batch niyo?
Mas maraming lamang. Well, pareho naman tingin ko yung magnitude yung impact ng show. Ang sa amin lang kasi, doble lang talaga yung weeks. Na-doble yung weeks sa amin. Yun lang yung difference. Yun lang yung talaga yung difference.
How would you describe yung mga kabataang Pinoy sa ngayon?
Kabataang Pinoy.
Sino ba ang kabataang Pinoy ngayon?
Mga kabataang Pinoy ngayon, they think first before they act. Dapat ganun talaga. Kasi kung masabing yung description ng playing safe is equivalent to thinking first before you act. Sana mag-play safe na lang lahat para kumanda yung takbo ng buhay natin.
Ano yung pinakamamimiss mo sa bahay ni Kuya?
Siyempre, si Kuya. Given na yun.
How about yung mga tasks? Ganun?
Yung task, yung army talaga. Ay, army. Air Force.
Sa housemates. Kasi syempre, busy na kayo with your own lives. So, konti lang yung magiging chance na magkasama-sama ulit kayo. Sino yung mamimiss mo sa kanila? Isang girl, isang boy. Ay, tama.
Isang girl, si Priscilla. Kasi palagi kaming nagkukulitan nun. Parang upo lang ako sa isang tabi, pumunta siya sa tabi ko, biglang mag-usap, uy, alam mo ba, ganito nangyayari, gano'n. Tapos, Ateneo de Davao siya, kaya medyo may connection na konti. And sa boys, yung palaging kasama dito pag kunyari nag-hangout dito, gitara lang, si Alex.
Greatest lesson you've learned from your experience?
This lesson I've learned, you have to be selfless. Man with and for others.
Having branded as the ideal or next or parang next to good guy, don't you find pressure in that?
Not really, because maging natural lang talaga.
Pero you're naturally that. Pero don't you consider it na parang you really have to be careful with what you say, how you act, especially now na all eyes are on you, kunwari nasa labas ka. Wala bang ganung pressure?
May pressure naman, pero kung naging totoo ka naman sa loob, kung lalabas ka, gano'n ka pa rin, ba't ka matatakot?
Nung lumabas ka ba, paglabas mo, nakapag-mall ka na ngayon?
Mall, wala pa.
As in school lang talaga yung napunta?
School, tapos lagari schedule, wala pang masyadong tulog. Ganun.
So, wala ka pang mga nami-meet na mga fans na talaga lumalapit sa'yo para magpa-picture?
Meron ng ganun, pero yun nga, time lang talaga kailangan.
Wanna say anything to your fans? Kasi
Hey.
they're going to
Hello
watch
sa
this.
inyo. sobrang salamat sa trust and support nyo. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan ako ngayon kung wala kayo. So, salamat. One big fight.
Sige. Thank you, Robby.
Thank you po.